Welcome to this introduction to Amazon DynamoDB Fundamentals. DynamoDB is Amazon Web Services' managed NoSQL database service. Throughout this video, we'll explore what makes DynamoDB a powerful choice for modern applications that need fast, scalable, and flexible data storage solutions. Amazon DynamoDB is a fully managed NoSQL database service, which means you don't have to worry about provisioning servers or performing maintenance tasks. It delivers high performance with single-digit millisecond response times, regardless of how large your database grows. DynamoDB supports both key-value and document data models with a flexible schema, allowing you to store different types of data without rigid structure requirements. One of its most impressive features is seamless scaling, automatically adjusting capacity from 0 to handling trillions of requests per day. Let's compare NoSQL databases like DynamoDB with traditional SQL databases. SQL databases use a fixed schema with tables and rows, perfect for structured data with clear relationships between entities. They typically scale vertically, meaning you upgrade the hardware, and they follow ACID transaction principles. In contrast, NoSQL databases like DynamoDB use a flexible schema with items instead of rows, making them ideal for unstructured or semi-structured data. They scale horizontally by adding more servers, and they offer eventual consistency as an option, which can improve performance in distributed systems. DynamoDB has 4 core components you need to understand. First are tables, which are collections of data items, similar to tables in relational databases. Second are items, which are individual records within a table, comparable to rows in SQL. Third are attributes, which are the data fields within items, similar to columns but much more flexible since not every item needs the same attributes. Finally, there's the primary key, which uniquely identifies each item in your table. The primary key can be either a single partition key or a combination of partition key and sort key. DynamoDB supports 2 types of primary keys. The partition key is a simple primary key composed of one attribute that determines how data is distributed across storage partitions. For example, you might use user ID as a partition key. The composite key combines a partition key with a sort key, allowing for more complex data organization. For instance, you could use user ID as the partition key and timestamp as the sort key. This combination lets you store multiple items with the same partition key, as long as they have different sort key values. Here's what a DynamoDB item looks like in practice. Items are stored in a JSON-like document structure with key-value pairs. In this example, we have a user item with attributes including user ID set to user123, name set to John Doe, email address, age set to 30, and an active status set to true. Notice how each attribute has a name and a value, and different items in the same table can have completely different sets of attributes, giving you tremendous flexibility in how you model your data. DynamoDB offers several key features that make it attractive for modern applications. It's completely serverless, meaning no infrastructure management is required on your part. It includes automatic scaling that adjusts capacity based on your traffic patterns. Global tables provide multi-region, multi-active replication, allowing users around the world to access your data with low latency. Additionally, point-in-time recovery offers continuous backups with the ability to restore your data to any moment within a retention period. DynamoDB excels in several common use cases. It's perfect for mobile and web applications that require low-latency data access, ensuring fast response times for your users. Gaming applications benefit from DynamoDB for managing leaderboards and session data. E-commerce platforms use it for shopping carts and product catalogs where quick reads and writes are essential. Finally, it's excellent for real-time analytics and IoT data ingestion, where you need to handle massive amounts of incoming data with consistent performance.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.